Welcome. In this video we are going to learn virus analysis using OllyDbg. OllyDbg is a debugger that accentuates double code examination, which is helpful when source code isn't accessible. It follows registers, pursues methodology, API calls, switches, tables, constants and strings, and also finds schedules from records and libraries. The goal of the lab is to influence understudies to learn and comprehend investigation of the infections. Let's open a browser and go to OllyDbg official domain ollydbg.d/download.html. Now let's download OllyDbg software. Launch the OllyDbg tool. Installation is not required for OllyDbg. Double click and launch the OllyDbg.exe file. Go to File from menu bar and click Open. Here I am browsing random file. Now click Open. Data formats, dump Windows display data in all common formats, that is hexadecimal, ASCII, Unicode, 16 and 32-bit, signed, unsigned, hexadecimal integers, 32, 64, 80-bit floats, addresses, disassembly, and so on. Here you can see that assembler program instructions. Now click View from the menu bar and click Log, that is Alt plus L shortcut key. You can see the full Unicode support, all operations available for ASCII strings and are also available for Unicode and vice versa. OllyDbg is able to recognize UTF-8 strings. Here you can see the log data of payload.exe file. Now click View from menu bar and click Executable module. Shortcut key is Alt plus E. Here you can see that executable module of payload.exe file. Now click View from menu bar and then click Threads or Alt plus T shortcut key. So that's it in this video on virus analysis using OllyDbg tool. Thank you for watching this video.